This $800 gaming monitor uses a $50 panel. This $200 office monitor, same $50 panel. Same factory, same technology. The $750 difference? Pure psychology. While you focus on specs, display manufacturers focus on one thing: how to make identical hardware feel premium. 3 factories control everything: LG Display, Samsung Display, BOE. Every premium gaming brand shops from the same catalog. Asus ROG, Alienware, MSI, all assembling identical panels into different psychology experiments. Behind those RGB strips and gaming designs is pure profit engineering. Here's how they turn $50 panels into $800 belief systems, pixel by pixel. Same production line, same IPS technology, same $50 cost. Whether it becomes $200 office monitor or $800 gaming beast. Here's where it gets interesting. Panels get tested, sorted. Best ones go to highest bidders. Not gaming versus office, just economics. Asus gets panels, LG gets panels, Dell gets panels, all shopping from the same catalog. The difference? Marketing budgets. Hardware makers design custom chips. Monitor makers? Assembling identical panels into different packaging, different profits. While hardware manufacturers engineer actual performance, monitor manufacturers engineer desire. Same panel, different psychology. 240 Hz, 360 Hz, 540 Hz. Numbers designed to impress. Here's the reality. Most human eyes plateau around 120 Hz in actual gaming. Beyond that, you're funding marketing departments. 1 ms response time everywhere, measured in perfect lab conditions. Real-world gaming, the $800 panel performs identical to $200 panel. So where does your money go? Design psychology. RGB lighting that doesn't improve gaming. Angular cases that suggest performance. Brand partnerships that create competitive anxiety. $50 panel becomes $600 Asus ROG. Same panel becomes $400 LG Ultra Gear. Identical technology, different tribal identities. Monitor choice becomes identity. Asus ROG users look down on budget displays, not performance reasons, psychology reasons. Gaming setups aren't about functionality, they're about belonging. Budget monitor becomes insult. Gaming monitor becomes identity. Here's the genius move. Sponsor professional gamers. Suddenly, using the wrong monitor feels like competitive disadvantage. Pro gamers use $2,000 monitors, not for performance, for sponsor contracts. Your rank isn't suffering because of skill, it's your inferior equipment. Your extra $400 buys? Gaming brand sticker, RGB lighting, esports partnerships, anxiety relief disguised as performance. Technology manufacturers are limited by actual engineering. Monitor manufacturers only limited by psychology manipulation. First, 1080p wasn't enough. Needed 1440p. Then 60 Hz wasn't enough. Needed 144 Hz. Then 240 Hz. Next year, 8K gaming monitors for 4K content that barely exists. Pro gamers use $2,000 monitors not for performance, for sponsor visibility. Competitive advantage becomes marketing advantage. $50 panel, $30 electronics, $20 housing, $600 retail price. The gap? Pure psychology engineering. So here's what the display industry perfected: selling identical technology at premium prices through pure psychology manipulation. Your expensive gaming hardware delivers genuine engineering advancement. Your premium gaming monitor? Same pixels as budget office displays, just more expensive psychology. The next time you see perfect visuals on your screen, remember this: someone engineered every pixel you're seeing. The question is, Did they engineer better technology or just better marketing? But even the most premium display means nothing if you can't hear the difference.